Master warning. Auto flight, autopilot off.
I have control and communications.
You have control and communications.
Removing thrust lock.
Check.
Flight directors off.
Flight directors off.
Display flight path vector.
Flight path vector display.
Alternate law.
Check.
Ecom actions.
Auto flight, autopilot off. Clear?
Clear.
Electrical, emergency configuration. Minimum rate speed 140 knots. Generator 1 and 2 off, then on. Off, then on. If unsuccessful, bus tie off. Off. Generator 1 and 2 off, then on. Off, then on. VHF 1, ATC 1, use.
Checked.
In use. Approach nav aid on RMP 1.
Set approach nav 8 RMP 1.
Approach nav aid is selected on RMP 1. IR 2 and 3, if IR 1 OK, off.
IR 1. Check attitude. Pitch 2 degrees up. Heading 170. Standby horizon. 2 degrees up. Standby compass. Heading 170. IR 1 is OK.
IR 2 off, confirm?
Confirm.
Off. IR 3 off, confirm?
Confirm.
Off. Fuel gravity feed. Procedure. Gravity fuel feeding.
Gravity fuel feeding paper checklist.
Gravity fuel feeding paper checklist. Engine mode selector, ignition. Ignition. Avoid negative G factor.
Checked.
Determine gravity feed ceiling. It's determined. Gravity fuel feeding paper checklist complete.
Continue ecom actions.
Clear?
Clear.
FAC 1 off, then on. Off, then on. Blower and extract override. Override. Landing elevation manually adjust. Adjusted. Electrical emergency configuration. Clear?
Clear.
Flight controls alternate law protections lost. Maximum speed 320 knots. Flight control alternate law. Clear?
Clear.
Auto flight, auto thrust off. Clear?
Clear.
Red, land as soon as possible.
Checked.
Calling status. Status. Minimum rate speed 140 knots. Maximum speed 320 knots. Maximum brake pressure 1000 psi. Full gravity feed. Avoid negative G factor. Approach procedure. For landing, use flap 3. At 1000 feet AGL, landing gear down. Approach speed VREF plus 10 knots. Landing distance procedure apply. Recalling status. Alternate law protections lost. When landing gear down, direct law. Battery only. And DME, ADF, ATC lost. Slash, flaps, slow. Recalling status. Inoperative systems. Flight control protection. Reverser 1 and 2. ADR 2 and 3. IR 2 and 3. Radio altimeter 1 and 2. Spoiler 1, 2 and 5. LAC 2. SEC 2 and 3. Auto call out. Autopilot 1 and 2. Auto thrust. Fuel pumps. Anti-skid. Nose wheel steering. Clear?
Clear.
Status clear?
Clear.
ECAM actions completed.
I have control. You have communications.
You have control, I have communications. Localizer alive?
Track 028.
Track 028 selected.
Flaps 1.
Speed check.
Select S speed.
Airspeed selected. Glide slope alive.
Checked.
Flaps at what?
Full establish on ILS. Set go around altitude.
Go around altitude is set.
3000 blue.
Check.
Flaps 2.
Speed check.
Select F speed.
F speed selected. Flaps at 2.
Flaps 3.
Speed check.
Select V approach.
The approach selected. Landing gear not down.
Emergency cancel.
Emergency cancel. 1,500 feet above ground level.
Standby nav 1 on.
Standby nav is on. Check. Outer marker 1,700 feet.
Checked.
(1,000 feet above ground level).
Landing gear down. MD1, MCD1 lost.
Check. Landing gear not down.
Emergency cancel. Use manual pitch stream, direct law.
Check.
Reselect V approach.
The approach is reselected. Landing gear is down. Electrical essential buses on battery.
Clear ECAM.
Cam is cleared.
Landing checklist.
Landing checklist. Auto thrust.
Off.
ECAM landing memo.
1 blue, normal.
Check. Landing checklist complete. Hundred above. Minimum.
Land. No reverse available.
Check.
Check braking.
Brake pressure 1000 psi. Brake pressure is checked. (70 knots). Brake pressure 1000 psi.
Parking brake on.
Check.
Landing checklist.
Landing checklist. Auto thrust.
Off.
ECAM landing memo.
1 blue, normal.
Landing checklist complete.
Go around flaps.
Positive climb.
Gear up.
Landing gear is up.
Emergency electrical power manually on.
Emergency electrical power is manually on.
Alternate lock.
Check.
Reset FAC 1.
FAC 1 is reset.
Select green dot speed.
Green dot speed selected.
Thrust levers climb. Flaps 1.
Speed check. Flaps at 1 S speed.
Flap 0.
Speed check. Flaps at 0.
After takeoff checklist.
After takeoff checklist. Landing gear up. Flap retracted. Patch. On. Barrel ref.
Set.
Set. After takeoff checklist complete. Flight control, alternate blow protections lost.
Clear recap.
Cam is clear.